Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Fromplasticbottles vlogs from Switzerland. Today's video is my DIY project. This is a flowers made from the plastic bottles of mineral water and cut out and shaped into pointed and colored it with the use of different nail polish. And this stamen is also from the plastic container of the meat. I cut out and rolled it and wrapped with Scotch tape on the bottom and fixed with the glue inside. You can use also adhesive glue to fix it, this one into the center, and this one is a double petals. Just fix together the two flowers so that it will appear like a double petals. Okay, and this one is orange, this is red, the fuchsia, the yellow, and the blue. And the stem is made from the rolled cardboard of the kitchen roll and wrapped with the ribbon. And this one, the leaves, is made from the plastic bottles and retouched with a green nail polish and fix it with the Scotch tape and wrap with the ribbon. And the jar or the base is a recycled glass of beer and wrapped here with a cotton thread and filled here with the coffee beans in order to support the flower to stand. And this one is like a crown but made of wire and beads, and fix it on the top of the jar so that it will adds beauty to the project. So guys, this is how to recycle your plastic bottles and transform into unique and beautiful DIY home decoration and stamped flowers. So please give a thumbs up, share this video, and leave a comment in order to improve my project. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you'll be updated with all my new projects. So please check my channel playlist, how to recycle plastic bottles, and you can find all my video tutorials on how to create different DIY projects. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to Fromplasticbottles vlogs. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again in my next vlog. Keep safe and stay healthy. God bless everyone. Feeling down, thank you so much. Buhot shukriya. Shukriyan parestopoli. Merci beaucoup. Daghang salamat. Maraming salamat to all my viewers and subscribers from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. So please watch my live tutorial so that you can see how I created my projects. And don't forget also to check my other uploads about home decorations for the Christmas, for my travel vlogs, and many things. I have a lot of DIY projects to be uploaded soon.